I ask Father God to forgive all my sins and the sins of my father and my mother and my family, the Bagus family and the Hanoyan family. I ask forgiveness for my sins from the Jewish community, the Roman Catholic Church, and the government of the Philippines. I ask forgiveness from my community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from corporations and companies. I ask forgiveness on behalf of all mankind. I ask forgiveness for my sins from the Buddha and the Buddhist community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from Allah and the Muslim community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from the entire Catholic Christian community. I ask forgiveness for my sins from my ancestors and forebears. I ask forgiveness for my sins from my friends and family. I ask for your forgiveness, President of the Philippines and the Maharlika government. Forgive me, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Forgive me, President Rodrigo Duterte. Forgive me, President Benigno Aquino III. Forgive me, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Forgive me, President Joseph Estrada. Forgive me, President Fidel Ramos. Forgive me, President Corazon Aquino. Forgive me, President Ferdinand Marcos. Forgive me, our beloved Pope. Forgive me, Pope Leo. Forgive me, Pope Francis. Forgive me, Pope Benedict. Forgive me, Pope John Paul II. Forgive me, Lords and Kings, Emperors. Forgive me, the United Kingdom. Forgive me, Spain. Forgive me, BRIC nations. Forgive me, European Union. Forgive me, DAC Bloc. Forgive me, Switzerland. Forgive me, Sweden. Forgive me, Korea. Forgive me, Finland. Forgive me, Singapore. Forgive me, Portugal. Forgive me, Czech Republic. Forgive me, Japan. Forgive me, Taiwan. Forgive me, France. Forgive me, Vietnam. Forgive me, Thailand. Forgive me, Masons. Forgive me, Acrus, engineers, technicians, and architects. I am innocent, a civilian who has never used dark magic, yet I have been falsely accused and punished as though I were evil, Lucifer, or a Satanist. I am a human being, vulnerable like an infant, but not by age, and not an engineer. I have no means to harm anyone. I love my family and I miss them very much. I am Jeffrey Hanoyan, also known as Jeffrey Hanoyan Bagus, and I ask forgiveness for all my sins, for my soul, for my body, and for my life which is suffering greatly. Thank you and thank you for your forgiveness. May God bless us all.